Hello YouTube, I am back. I am going to do this click-in system thingy. So if you watch my recent video, in the description you will get this. Let me delete everything so I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, first of all, it will say go into settings, places, no, security, just turn all of them on like. Then it will say for leader stats, and click in inside server script service. Double click in main and start the GUI. Then you can literally just delete these two because they're all useless. Or if you want to see how everything was made in this version, the video will be linked right there. Every video I'm gonna make a new model, so you don't have to keep, you know what I mean. Right, so in this video I'm going to do a rebirth system, but first I want to do stats on the left so I know how much stuff I got. So let's do left, let's do left frames. It can be simple, like that will do. There we go. This will be for clicks. UI corner 0.3, 1 second, well no, 1.2. What does 0.3 look like? Actually that will do. UI stroke after I do this color. UI stroke 3. There we go. Let's put it smaller a bit, and that's that done. Now for the image you can just like depending what size image it is, you can just play with that, doesn't really matter. The transparency to 1, and just text label, and just like this is where the start will go. Oops. Let's just put like loading ... Let's put this transparency like that. I always like to use this font, Fred Docker 1, whatever that is. Scale it. Actually, I would like do this because that's what most games do. And it looks nice. Left, right. So now let's just scale everything inside this. That thing and that'll be the image. Nothing really important. Let's scale it. Right. Now clicks frame shower. Now let's drag it again at the bottom. So this can be for like gems, rebirths, doesn't matter. Gems. Then I'm gonna put this one as rebirths, so it'll be a bit smaller. but perfect. So let me rename this to Rebirth as well. Right. Let me left frame handler. Okay, so copy and paste this from like the last video, of course, and just copy and paste this so it gets the player. So now you want to do same as before, get these you don't need this actually. Maybe I do, yes. I just put clicks frame and be there. Left frame's gonna just be like there, to be honest, yeah. Clicks frame. Gems frame. Rebirth frame, okay. And rebirth frame. Right. So now, main. So I like to use one service because it makes like barely any lag. So I'm just going to use one service. Game. Get service. One service. Heartbeat should show up. I don't know why it's not showing up. Heartbeat. Did I do anything wrong? This should show. Huh? Something is not right. It should show heart. Oh, I'll just do it manually, like connect function. So you want to clicks dot wait groups for child. Clicks dot wait for child text label. Dot text will equal the stat. I actually want to do it all last, so let me just put this and put gems rebirths. Right. To make stuff easier, just gonna copy and paste this. Alright, so let's have a leader stats. It'll be easier. So the first one, if I did down clicks, this one will be gems. So what we want to do, copy and paste this, and make gems, and that's done. So we'll just put gems right there for reverse. You want to copy and paste here again and type reverse and just pop it in right there, and that should be done. To make sure it works, to make sure that it doesn't break one character, if we set, we would want to do if character, why is nothing working today? If character dot find first child dot humanoid equals nil. I want to do if not nil, and oops, copy and paste to sort all out. Now we test. And if this works, then I'll just start onto the rebirth system. Yes, it'll be multi. One, see, it goes up right there and it works perfectly fine. Alright. So now I make the rebirth system. Script. Rebirth system. Same as old, yeah. Everything gonna be in server side. Copy and paste these. Alright. Don't worry about this, guys. I know what I'm doing. And another end. Alright. Click debounce. Rebirth debounce. Okay. So what you want to do is I'm trying to think. Make the GUI. Okay. Rebirth GUI. Just put a frame in the middle. It doesn't have to be in the middle. I'm just putting it as a tutorial. If you know how to do it, it'll be easy like. Oh, it's glitching out. Oh, I have to rejoin the studio. I'll be back. Alright, so I'm joining back right now. Hopefully it doesn't break again. Is my stuff saved? Yes, okay. Left GUIs, rebirth GUI. Okay. We are gonna make them multi rebirth things. Size it. Yeah, I would like to copy and paste these, because why not? I want to copy the color as well, but one sec. Stroke. Frame, stroke. Oh, it is the same. Well, I'll have to do that. Just get everything out of the way, I'll code it as I'm going. Local rebirth frame equals player GUI wait for child. It'd be easier if I do this. And just put rebirth thing, just like that. Okay. Now we want to get the actual rebirth frames. So what we want to do is local rebirth. You can name literally anything, guys. 8 for child. Just I just want to name it main because why not? Trying to think. Just duplicate this. Just take away UI this. Looks like I'll do. Just let me take away the stroke and put the color down a bit. Like no, I'll put it as a stroke. That doesn't look right. Yeah. I don't like the way this is turning out. Anyway, I'm not here to show you guys how to make really good UIs. I'm here to show you how to make. Ugh. Anyway, this will be the border for the main. Let's just add constraint. Now it's time for the actual main thing. So we need to get a scrolling frame. That's the thing. It's not suitable for like. It has to be inside the border. That sucks. Main border maybe, and this will be the main frame. Main frame. So now I have to redo this. Main border. Main frame. Then alright, so I really like the way this is all going out. Like, what if I do this and make it not the way I wanted it to be? Alright. Thing is, let me clip. Okay, nothing should be going out to this frame now. Oh, looks like UI strokes broke. Look at this. Oh, this is gonna make stuff way harder. I'll just fill this up. Let me go from there. Scale. And add. Right, so what we're gonna do now is let's make a template. Sort of folder. Name this template. Right. Now let's go to this. Let's put this in the center. Actually, I want UI stroke and corner for this. Cause why not? I want this one to be reversed. So this one inside. And this color for the border. Right. Frame middle, please. Wait. This is just a frame. I want this one. Right, left. Where's the thing to go in the middle? This is a scrolling frame, yes. Oh, I know why. UI this layout. Left, center. No. Alright guys, I'll be back once I sort everything out because it's taking way too long. Alright, so done this. So what you want to do next, put the template inside the template folder and just put the visible to false. Then what you want to do now in the rebirth system, you want to do, you need the main border is, okay, let's just put local template frame equals, basically, wait, rebirthing dot main border dot template frame. I don't need another one of this. Okay. Main border is done. Template. Main border. Template. Oh, just another thing got template on. Alright. So. Wait, let me cut. Because I just want to make it so the frame opens and closes. I'll just not make it, I just want to record out to save time. I'll be back in a second, guys. Okay, so that's done now. Now we can actually start coding. So, save storage. Let's make a folder for like main game stuff. Just not just part rebirthers. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing now is how many like, let's say it's one folder, you know, yeah, that will only show one frame. If I show like, if I put 2, it will be 2 frames. So I'll show you what I mean by this now, guys. So main coding for IV rebirths. I'm trying to think. What should I name it? Rebirths config visual. And you don't have to use iPairs, I just like using it. You can even use iPairs or just pairs. But I want to use iPairs because I like iPairs. In iPairs, game get service, server storage. Wait for child. Main game. Wait for child. Again. And do rebirths. So now you put do at the end. I want to put it as a folder, so of course I want to put it as a folder. So to check if it's a folder, you do this. If v rebirth, just copy and paste, it's not working for auto fill like. Got no is a folder. Then anything else. Okay, guys, I'll show you what I mean now. Yeah, by like how many. So let's just say right. Yes, okay. So template frame. So our template frame is already made. I need to clone the template frame, so it'll be clone. Okay. Template frame. Why nothing working? Template frame dot parent equals rebirth. Scrolling. Let me just make sure. Mainframe. Yes. Then we want to make it visible. So template dot visible equals true. As you can see now, guys, I hope it is correct. There's nothing there. Let's see what it does. Uh-oh, I got an error. I'm sorry. Table expected got instance. Oh, I forgot to do get children. Get children. There we go, that should work. Now watch. It's taking me forever. Alright, so it only showed one, but there's two in there though. Template frame is a clone, yes. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. We'll be back in a second. I just want to make sure of something. Okay, guys, I know the problem. I need to clone. So, what I'm gonna do now here is local template frame cloner, template frame clone. Because it needs to be inside the pairs, otherwise it won't work. If it's there, which it was, it won't work. So this is how we're gonna do it. And it should be done. Now watch this. It was just me being dumb. Oh my god, it's been 27 minutes and we barely even started scripting. I'm sorry guys. If you just want, just take them out of the description. I don't really mind. You don't have to watch this. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exactly 5 you can't see here. Give me a second. Exactly 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, now what you want to do is inside number value. Let's put needed, because it will be Rebirth 1. You just have to name it, it's just I want to know, so I know which one to add it, like needed. So this is how many clicks you'll need now for rebirthing. Let's do about 50 for the first rebirth, yeah. And then the reward. So this is the gems reward now. I want to give it 10 gems per rebirth. No, let's give it 1. Then multiply. Yes. Okay. Multiply 1. Okay. Rebirth 1. 2. Wait, I do not need these. I need. Just get rid of these, like, just have a much better way. Yeah, and you guys can trust me on this. Right. So, needed. Rebirth needed. Rebirth needed. Rebirth reward. Oops. Rebirth reward. Okay guys, so just get, wait, needed just like 50. Then reward equals 1. Okay, delete these. So now the multipliers will be like this, multiply 1, you will multiply by 1. Multiply by 2 for the second one. And that would be 100, and that would be 2. Guess something. Right. Let's click. There we go. So the text. I wanna local function text handler parent visible. Okay. Local function text handler. Okay. Yeah, why not? No, I don't need that. Dot. You need, okay. 8 for child. You need dot text equals you need clear wait for child leader stats dot. I do not need leader stats, it's hidden values. Needed. Okay, so player dot rebirth needed dot value, that'd be 50 of course. You need the gems for 2 rebirth for only clicks on gems. Clicks to rebirth for rebirth reward. So let's do this. For rebirth reward. Dot value. Let's just say gems. Right guys, so now for the multipliers to show, you need to do this. Template. No, this. Config dot multiply dot value, and do the same for the other one. The multiply dot value. Right. Let's see if this will work. Let's add a few more so you'll see if it works. 3. Oops. 3. 4. And then just 5. Alright, now let us test. It's been 34 minutes. I don't understand why it's taking forever. Oh well. At least you can just take the model. As you see guys, it worked. You need 50 clicks to rebirth for 1 gem. You need 200 clicks to rebirth for 2 gems. You need 150 clicks for 3 gems. You need 200 clicks for 4 gems. You need 250 clicks to rebirth for 5 gems. So this is what I mean. To make it more balanced, let's double instead of adding 1. So this will be 4. This will be 6. No, 8. This will be 16. Now let us test. So all this is just simple, guys. See? 50, 100, 200, 400, 600, 800. So this is how you do the spawning for it. Now we'll have to do the giving. So what you want to do is pairs the thing. Alright, let's just name this spawning, like just I just want to put this as rebirthing. Okay, so this will also be the check. Yes, okay. Try to think. And right. I don't need this. I need rebirth scrolling. Get George on. The rebirth scrolling. The rebirth scrolling. And it won't be a folder, it will be a frame, so we'll put this as a frame. So now we get the text button. So text, oops. To be honest, it would be easier if I put the multiplier. I will set multiplier if it's in a frame. So in the spawning right here, you would want to put the template dot multiply dot value will equal to this. There we go, that made it easier for us for this. Text button. Why did I do text button? V rebirth config. Rebirth scrolling is a frame. Oh, then text button, that's why I done it. Wait for child text button, mouse button, 1 click, connect function. Okay guys, now same as the click video with the debounce. If debounce rebirth equals false, Okay, so it's false. Then it would equal to true. Equal to false. Let's add the debounce 0.4. I would actually want to do task dot wait. I will change that to the click script as well. This Happy News came out not long ago, but it's pretty good. Task dot wait. Alright, so now we need to do an if statement. So if leader start, so no, if player wait for child leader starts dot no wait for child again clicks dot value is on or equal if it's over or equal to the max. Where is that start? Rebirth needed times this. Rebirth needed then basically we're almost done. I just don't understand how this took me 42 minutes. They shrunk off. Alright. Probably because I was doing all UIs and I've done this stat thing as well, and yeah. Alright. So what you want to do is of course if clicks. Now you want to do the resetting stuff. So resetting stats. You can just clicks will equal to 0. Clicks of value equals to 0. I think that's about it. We don't have to set anything else yet. New stats. So this would be multiplying the rebirth needed and no, we need to give it first. Give stats. So we want to give gems. And rebirth, make sure I spelled it right. Yeah, okay. Rebirth reward. Gems. Rebirth I'm just +1 because there really ain't a multiplier for rebirths yet. We haven't done upgrades, so it will only be 1. No. I wanted to upgrade by a multiply. Because it's multiplying every time that time. I'll do that in a second, okay. So this will equal to this. Oops. Reward times multiply leader starts of rebirths plus this, and then New stats. Should I times it by 2? I guess I can do that, but if you guys want to change it every time you rebirth, you can literally change now right here. It doesn't matter. This will also be times by 2. Well, I think that's done. Now, to make sure that it works, so we can check, is in this text handle that part. Alright, so I have to change the text, button text, see if I have enough or not in like a loop. So what I'm going to do is, if just like this, then wait, I'm just gonna do this because why not? I don't feel safe doing that. I want to do it like this. So if we do have enough, this text button. Now that's gonna be a bit of a problem. No, it's not. I'll just have to do this. Then check if it's a frame. Then put this inside. There we go, sorted. Right. We have a child. Text. Button. Dot. Text equals rebirth. And I'm just going to put the background color. Ground color 3 equals no. Color 3 dot from RGB. What colors in that? We're just gonna do that. Then of course if it's not that, it will say, let's talk about the same after this. Let's make the color of that rebirth. Or should the other one say like denied? Denied. I might have spelled it wrong. I'm not sure. Anyway, you can always do it yourself. And then yeah, run service and make it much easier. Right. No, you are not. I want to change with the No. No, this is clicks. You know what? We have an idea. It would be good, cause leader stats right here. Just trust me in this one. If V leader stats in high pass. I need to get children as well. Get children and the brackets. Dollar change column connect function. Then I do this. Now it's time to test, guys. Hopefully it works. 50 odd minutes video mine just for doing this. Not happy one bit. And I've got an error. Great. Multiply V is not a member of template. Sorry, multiply V? There we go. Problem solved. I put a V instead from space, I guess. Oh, how did it fix? I didn't even... Okay. Just put in that. As you can see, you need 50 clicks to rebirth from 1 gems, 2 gems, 4 gems, 8 gems, 16 gems, blah blah blah. Right. Now, as you can see, it says denied. I gotta keep clicking. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright. 30. 40. Right, watch this change now. 9, 50. Not what I wanted. Not one bit. I just want to see if it does work. Alright. It does work perfectly fine. It's just when I do the color changing on the text. 50 times. Alright. So try to think, what did I do wrong here? Reverse scrolling, yes. Is a frame, yes. If player, lead stats, clicks. Equals template frame. No. What if I do rebirth, not template? Then it's not, it's the if statement. Let's try again, but this time I wanna, instead of clicking all the time, I just wanna put my clicks as 50. Now let's see. Oh, it works, guys. That's nice. As you can see now, you need 100 clicks for 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 32, 8, 9, 10. Oh, guys, what I do have to do now, yeah, add the click multiplier to the rebirth stat. So what you want to do now, yeah, and do the click script, click, you go times 1 plus, of course it will start at 0, so that'll be 1 plus leader stats. That's going to just be like rebirths. I will show an example right now. So what I've basically just done is, let's just, as you know, yeah, it goes up by 1 each time. If I rebirth, and now it'll go up by 2 each time. 4, 6, 8, 10, it just goes up all the time. Now, we have to reset the character to see if it works. After reset, hope for the best. Clicking still works. It looks like this still works. I'll be back once I get 100 to test it again. Alright, so now I have 100 again. Let's see if it works. And of course it changed, so it must have worked. Yes, now I got 3. And 2 gems. Now as you see, now it's 4. My gem should have increased by 2, not 1. Oh no, that's rebirths, this is gems. Yep guys, they work perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. This link, this model will be in the description, and this plugin will be in the description also. Remember, once you put the plugin, no, once you put the thing in, just a bit like a little folder thing. Just remember, just read. Go in a folder and just go on read me and just whatever happens in there. Like, if you ever want to add more rebirth buttons, all you have to do, I just added like 3 more, just for like no reason. Just to show you guys how easy it is to add rebirth buttons. 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, this would be 32, no, 32, this should be 32, 32 is 64, and this one could be 128. I might be wrong, but oh well. Alright guys, remember to like and subscribe, and be on the lookout for my other videos, because this series are gonna be so good. See? Easy. Alright. Bye.